And now Sharma Mishra joins us live from Mumbai to take us through the entire event which is planned for Prime Minister Modi. Good morning, Sharma. Tell us about the various events which are lined for Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where he will be participating today. Sharma.
Good morning, Deepika. Now we understand that whenever Prime Minister is in Mumbai or Maharashtra, his all activities are it's a day of action-packed events. So this time around also Maharashtra will witness similar activities. First, Prime Minister would be traveling to Washim district, and in a short while he'll be going to that Banjara community area where, you know, in your story package also you all have mentioned, where he'll be visiting and inaugurating the Banjara Museum. He'll also be going to Jagdamba Mata Temple, which is, amidst Navratri celebrations. So Navratri is going to be special for Maharashtra. Apart from that, he'll be also going to Samadhi Sthal, which is also a key place for the Banjara community. Now, the Banjara community is really excited here in Maharashtra, and especially at Washim district, because it's not every day when a Prime Minister comes to visit them, and we understand that this particular museum holds a huge significance for the entire Banjara community. The foundation stone was laid in 2018, and now it's ready for inauguration. So it will definitely give a sneak peek of what all importance or work Banjara community has been doing through over the years, through over the decades, and this will be a good information place for everybody in the country and outside as well. Apart from that, he'll be also interacting with the Banjara community at a public rally. He'll be distributing the Kisan Samman Nidhi installment, the 18th installment. After that, he'll be coming to Thane, which is closer to Mumbai, and there also he'll be inaugurating, laying the foundation stone of various key projects. And amidst that, the package that I've sent is of BKC Metro Rail, which is totally underground, and it's the first underground metro rail project of Maharashtra or Mumbai. Now, this is going to be a game changer of how people travel, of how commuters travel daily. We are understanding that this particular area of BKC, where this station is and where the Prime Minister would be coming, Prime Minister after Thane, so let's talk about Thane first. So he'll be inaugurating that BKC to JVLR RA over there, the Metro Line 3, which is the Aqua Line. And apart from that, he'll be also laying the foundation stone of phase 1 of Naina, which is Navi Mumbai Airport area. Apart from that, he'll be also laying the foundation stone of the Thane Integral Metro Rail project, which is also going to be a relief for the people of Thane who commute inside the Thane area, Thane district. So that's going to be a game changer. There are several other projects which he will be laying the keystone, he will be laying the foundation stone for. We are coming to Mumbai now, where Prime Minister, he has already inaugurated this Aqua Line of BKC to JVLR. When he comes to Mumbai, he'll be taking a ride in this metro train, which is completely ready and completely underground. So he'll be traveling in this particular metro, and we understand there'll be students, there'll be beneficiaries of a Ladki Behan, and Prime Minister, as he's known for interacting with the passengers, with the commuters on metro rail, he'll be doing that, and then he'll be coming back to the same station, BKC, and at BKC, before he takes the ride, there'll be several interaction with the people of Metro Rail. There'll be a souvenir launch, and there'll also be a museum sort of, pictures and everything.
All right. So with a 360-degree approach, the event is really extensive ahead of Prime Minister's visit to Maharashtra. We can learn from the facts that you just told, that Prime Minister Narendra Modi is not just focusing on the community, but infrastructure, farmers, and a lot more. Thank you so much, Rama, for joining us.